Good day, everyone. Good day, Doc J. Today we'll be discussing cloud service models or IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS, along with the cloud deployment models and how they connect to management information system. Cloud computing has become the backbone of how modern organizations run their IT infrastructure and software. We'll walk through that these models mean, how cloud computing evolved, why it matters to MIS, how it's applied in practice, and end with a summary of key takeaways. And let's start with definitions. Cloud service models define what layer of computing an organization outsources to a provider versus what is manages itself. Deployment models, on the other hand, describe where those cloud resources actually live, public, private, hybrid, or community cloud, based on how owns and controls the infrastructures. On the right, we have the breakdown, the three core service layers. IaaS, or infrastructure as a service, which is essentially rented servers, storage, and networking. Next is PaaS, or platform as a service. This one gives developers a ready-made platform to build and deploy applications. And next, the SaaS, or software as a service, and which is fully ready to use software delivered over the internet like Gmail and Salesforce. And also, IaaS is rented land. PaaS is a renting a fully built house. And SaaS is a renting furnished or move-in ready apartment. That's a analogy of the three. Next, we tackle the brief history of cloud service models. Cloud computing roots trace back to the 1960s, when mainframe time sharing first introduced the idea of multiple users accessing shared computing resources. The modern cloud era really begins in 1999, or the begins of SaaS begins, when Salesforce pioneered delivering business software entirely over the web. The first true SaaS product. And in 2006, AWS launches, or Amazon Web Services. Launch is EC2 and S3, which popularized IaaS and made renting servers and storage mainstream. And in between 2008 and 2010, the PaaS emerged. Google App Engine and Microsoft Azure introduced PaaS, giving developers ready-made platforms to build and deploy applications. And from that 2010 and today, Organizations have moved toward hybrid and multi-cloud strategies, mixing public, private, and hybrid clouds for the right balance of flexibility, cost, and control. Next is the importance and application in MIS. Now let's talk about why this matters for management information system and how it actually applied. On the left, we have four reasons. One, cloud model is after offer scalability, letting system grow or shrink with business demand. They improve cost efficiency through pay as you go, pricing that reduces upfront IT investment. And they provide reliability and security since providers built in redundancy and protection that most companies couldn't afford alone. And they enable anywhere access to MIS dashboards and data are reachable from any locations. And on the right, we see the concrete application or the application of within MIS. Cloud ERP host finance and operations as is AAS. IaaS gives scalable data storage. PaaS supports building custom MIS dashboards. Cloud tools enable remote collaboration and document sharing. Cloud backups support disaster recovery. And cloud-based business intelligence tools power reporting. And the key point is cloud computing isn't just an IT decision anymore. It is the infrastructure that modern MIS runs on. And we talk about the conclusion. To warp up, cloud service and deployment models now from the backbone of modern MIS infrastructure. They've evolved from 1960s mainframe time sharing in today's flexible hybrid and multi-cloud strategies. IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS each power different layers of an organization's information systems from raw infrastructure to ready-to-use software. Organization that choose the right cloud mix, scalability, cost saving, and resilience, all critical to running an effective MIS. That's all. Thank you. And thank you everyone for listening.